Good morning, class. I welcome you all again. So, class 3, this is your third video of chapter 6. In the last two videos, we read about a naughty elephant who used to irritate everybody asking random questions whose answers were unknown to all. So, his new question was, what does a crocodile eat in dinner? He had asked this question to everybody and everybody had failed to answer. Later on, he met a stork who was not able to answer his question, but was able to direct him to a place where he would get his answer. So the place was a grey-green greasy Limpopo river, and finally when the elephant reached to this place after a long journey where he had carried a load of banana and sugarcane and melons, he finally met a creature. Later on he got to know that the creature is a crocodile, and when he asked the crocodile that what does he have in dinner, the crocodile had asked him to come near. He made him his dinner and was saying that I am going to have you in my dinner today, and saying that the crocodile has caught his trunk. Okay, has caught his trunk, the nose of the elephant. And after a lot of fight and lot of struggle, finally the elephant was able to get rid of the crocodile, and the crocodile gives up. But at the end of the fight, at the end of the struggle, the elephant realized that his trunk has grown very long. And then what happened? And then there was a fly who was disturbing the elephant, and the elephant finally got rid of the fly, that house fly, using his trunk. This was the last portion that we had read in your earlier video, okay, in our earlier class. So today we will see that what happens when he realized that why his trunk has grown that big, that long, and what will be the utilization of a big or a long trunk. Okay, see, come to page number 47. In your last paragraph, see, what did the elephant do? He waited and waited, but nothing happened. He could still swish it around. At the end of the third day, a fly came. See, the fly came and stung him on his shoulder. And before he knew what he was doing, he lifted up his trunk and hit that fly dead with the end of it, and hit the fly dead with the end of it. He used his trunk to kill the fly. Next, see what happens. He said to himself, this seems to be a useful thing. Now what is the elephant saying? The elephant says, this seems to be a useful thing. Means though because of the fight my trunk has got long, but it has become useful to me. Useful in a way, I can now get rid of this housefly or any insect that had been disturbing me from a long time. Earlier I couldn't have reached to get rid of it, but now I can use my trunk to help them go away, to make them go away. Okay, he felt better now and hungry too. Now he was feeling better and hungry because he had fought a long fight with the crocodile. He put out his long nose and plucked a large bundle of grass, dusted it clean against his forelegs, and stuffed it into his mouth. Now see how he is using his trunk again. He put out his long nose. He is now using his long nose. How? To pluck a large bundle of grass. It's plucking a large bundle of grass, cleaned it, dusted it cleaned against his forelegs with the help of his forelegs. Forelegs means this front legs. He used his long trunk to pluck these grasses, and he dusted it on his legs and stuffed it in his mouth. Okay. Just imagine the picture in your mind, that how the elephant is using his long trunk to pluck the large grasses, and then cleaning it with the help of his legs, and then again putting it in his mouth, stuffing it into his mouth. He found that he could easily pluck the fruit of the tree instead of waiting for it to fall. Earlier, when the elephant had a small nose or a small trunk, it had to wait that when the fruits in the tree will ripe, it will fall and then it can eat. But now he can use his long trunk to pluck the ripened fruits from the tree itself and eat it without wasting time to wait for it to fall. Okay? He was happy that his new nose was turning out to be quite useful. Now he was very happy that his new nose, the nose that has grown so long due to the fight with the crocodile, was proving to be very useful to him. So now what he did, he went back to his family and had a jolly time spanking his brothers and sisters with his new trunk. Now see, his brothers and sisters had small trunk, and now this naughty elephant with grown nose was having fun. Fun how? Jolly time spanking his brothers, means he was beating his brothers and sisters with his long nose. Okay. When the other elephants could bear it no longer, they all went to the crocodile to get their new noses just like it. So when the brothers and sisters could no longer bear that, okay, my elder brother has such a long nose and we have such short nose, so all of them went back to the crocodile and asked the crocodile that you please pull my nose like you did to my brother, and thus all the elephant had got their long noses, long trunks. Okay, trunks. So thanks to the very curious elephant's child, all the elephant today have long trunk. So why every elephant now have long trunk? Because of this curious elephant's child. He was curious. He kept on asking question. He got to the crocodile. The crocodile pulled his nose, and thus he got to know the usefulness of long nose. And thus, seeing him, all other elephant went back to the crocodile to get their nose being pulled long. Okay, see, adapted from the elephant's child. So elephant child is a big story, and this part has been taken from the elephant's child. Okay, so now see, let's do some filling the blanks and your true false. Okay, see, the elephant's child was very curious. Yes, the elephant child was very curious, so it will be true. Long ago, elephant has small noses. Earlier, elephants had small noses. Yes, it is true. Later on, when the crocodile pulled their nose, it became long. But before that, they used to have very small noses. Okay. The elephant child managed to make his nose smaller by wrapping it in a banana leaf. Remember, in the last video, we had read that when the elephant got out from the fight, he realized that his nose has got very big. So he had wrapped it with the banana leaf so that it can become cold and it can shrink. Okay. So this is also true. Now see. Baby elephant thought that his new use was quite useless. No. He thought it is very useful. So this will be false. All other elephant, what were the uses that he was doing? He used his nose to get rid of the fly. Then he used his long nose to eat long grasses. Then he used his nose to pluck fruits from the trees. Then he used his long nose to spank his baby brothers and baby sisters. Okay, so this way it proved to be very useful and not useless. Again, all the other elephant went to the crocodile to get their longer noses. Again, true. Okay. So, you will go through the entire story and see what happened. It's a very interesting and very funny story. You will get a lot of enjoyment from it. You will get to know lots of new words. Your vocabulary increase. So I request all of you to go through this story again till we go to the next story in your next class. So till then, stay home, stay safe.